do you test a phone charging port for electrical continuity? Imagine your phone is refusing to charge, and you wonder if the problem is inside the port itself. Testing the charging port for electrical continuity can help you find out if it's working properly. To do this, you need a tool called a digital multimeter. It's a small device that measures electrical signals and can tell you if the port's internal connections are intact. First, turn off your phone completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is important to prevent any damage or false readings. Next, set your multimeter to the continuity mode. You'll usually see a symbol that looks like a diode or a sound wave. When you switch to this mode, the multimeter will beep if there is a continuous electrical path. Now, carefully locate the metal contacts inside the charging port. These are tiny and often hidden, but you can see them when you look into the port. They are the positive, negative, and sometimes data lines. Use the multimeter's test leads, which are the small wires attached to the multimeter, to touch these contacts. Place one probe on the positive contact and the other on the negative contact. If the multimeter beeps or shows a very low resistance reading, it means the internal wiring is good and there is continuity. If it does not beep or shows infinite resistance, then the circuit inside the port is broken or open. You should also check for shorts by testing between contacts that should not be connected. For example, test between the positive and negative contacts. If the multimeter beeps, it indicates a short circuit, which can cause charging problems. Before or after testing, visually inspect the port for dirt, corrosion, or damage. Sometimes cleaning the port with a soft brush or compressed air can improve connections. It's also helpful to test the charging cable itself for continuity and resistance. A faulty cable can mimic port issues. Remember, testing the port for electrical continuity is a quick way to diagnose if the port's internal wiring is working. If the port fails the test, it might need repair or replacement. This simple step can save you time and money before moving on to more complex repairs. Always handle the multimeter carefully to avoid damaging delicate components inside your phone. Testing for continuity is a key part of troubleshooting charging issues and can help you decide if a hardware repair is needed.